Rosie, sit down. Rosie.
Rosie, sit down, please.
Mum, take your pudding away. Sit down. Good girl. What have you got? Are you smiling for Daddy's camera? Why don't you have a smile for Mummy's camera?
This is too difficult for you. I'll do it. Cling. Well done. Do it to Mummy then. Mummy. Don't move. Oh, I've got to get this. Just can you turn your face a bit more towards me?
What are you doing? Have you finished your pudding? Is there any left? Is it all gone? Is it all gone? Oh.
Sit down, please.
You're dancing?
Good girl. Ready? Rosie.
Look at Mummy then, smile.